So you want to make thousands of dollars from an app that you created without writing a single line of code. Many people have been doing that this past couple of months with a secret technique called vibe coding, in which you basically prompt the AI to build you an app, then you just sit back and vibe while it is doing all the work for you. On a serious note though, many people have been using this style of coding and they have made thousands from their prototypes. Well, in this video I will show you how you can vibe code as well by building an app that you can actually sell to businesses for thousands of dollars. For that I will use Bolt.new, one of the best AI code builders on the market, and in my opinion, the one with the best vibes as well. See what I did there? And since we're vibe coding, we will let the AI decide what app we should build. So I typed, I want to create an app that would be useful to businesses with vibe coding, that I would be able to charge businesses a lot of money to use. Create such an app and let me know what exactly it is about. It should solve a big pain point that the business has. And Bolt starts coding the app while I'm just staring at it. And boom, this is the app Bolt generated. It has 3 metrics: the vibe score, sentiment distribution, and AI insights. I like it, but it definitely needs more features. So I typed, that looks great, now add more features to it. Whatever you think would add value to businesses, make it look better as well. And since we want to have an AI insights section, we need to insert an API key as well. So I said, after you do that, let me know how you can connect it to an API so the AI can actually perform the analysis as well. This time, while Bolt was writing the code, I hopped in my trading account and made some fast trades and lost all my portfolio. But this isn't a problem, since I'm gonna get rid of this app anyway. Now this might seem like the exact same interface, but if we scroll down, we can see that we also have a performance metrics section. Underneath that, we have our team's activity, and at the bottom we have an AI-powered recommendation section. That's much better. My mentor might actually stop making fun of me now. Now Bolt is asking us if we would like to implement any of these backend components. And since we're vibing right now, we can say no to the AI. So I wrote, yes, do what you think we need to do to make this app awesome. This time, while Bolt writes the code, I fell down and did some push-ups, since I'm not a dork. Sadly, nothing seems to have changed with this prompt. The only thing that happened was Bolt prompting us to connect to Supabase. So I clicked on Connect to Supabase and created a custom database for this app. So now we also have a database where we can store information as well. And now, for those of you who stuck to this part of the video, I will show you the best vibe coding hack there is, which is going to Google and searching to find a UI you actually like, then screenshot or download it, and then upload it to Bolt with a prompt like, now I want you to improve the UI, make it dark, and add in some features like you see on the image. Also let me know whether you need me to give you an API key so you can do the analysis. I ran the prompt, and this time I started to meditate, since I'm on my self-improvement journey, while Bolt was writing the code. And look at that, it looks amazing, but it removed some sections from before. So I said, keep the same sections you had before, use the additional ones that will help with the user experience. And since nothing happens to the other tabs when I click them, I also said, and also start creating the other tabs, like the reports tab, the teams, messages, analytics, and settings. And this is what we got, a fully functioning app that tracks all of these metrics with interactive graphs, with an actual backend database, other tabs like reports, team, messages, analytics, and settings that actually work. And we did all that with vibe coding. Now if you want to learn more about another AI tool that is amazing at coding, click on this video right here.